Namaste dear friends, today I'm going to share you how to do the hip opening. I'll tell you two important yoga postures that will help you to open your hip. That one is butterfly. For that, doing that posture, bring the soles of the feet together. Then both hands behind your back. Then slowly pull your hip forward. Now the perineum closer to the heel. Find out the balance there. Then hold your toes with both hands interlocked fingers. Open your chest is forward. Slowly move your knees up and down. Do this posture at least 50 to 75 times continuously. This is butterfly. When you get familiar with this practice, you find that your hip is slowly opening. When it is get opened, then wide open the elbows, slowly move forward. Now bring the chin towards the toes. Now your hip is opening a little bit further. Stay in the posture, breathe for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come up. Take a rest for a few seconds, again move forward and breathe and come up. Practice these yoga postures in your daily yoga practice and you will definitely find out the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you with the next video. Namaste.